When it comes to coding and programming, having a reliable and efficient laptop is essential. The best laptop for coding and programming should have a powerful processor, ample RAM and storage capacity, a comfortable keyboard, and a high-quality display. This ensures a smooth coding experience and allows for easy multitasking. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best laptop for coding and programming that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 5. Dell New XPS 17 Laptop. The Dell New XPS 17 laptop is a top-of-the-line machine that boasts impressive specs and performance capabilities. This 17-inch UHD Plus laptop features an Intel i9-10885H 10th Gen processor that delivers lightning-fast speeds and can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. With 32GB DDR4 RAM and a 1TB SSD, this laptop is perfect for heavy multitasking, data storage, and running multiple programs simultaneously. This laptop has a sleek and stylish design with a silver color finish that gives it a premium look and feel. The large 17-inch screen is perfect for graphic designers, photographers, and video editors who require a high-quality display. The NVIDIA RTX 2060 graphics card ensures smooth visuals and excellent performance for gaming and graphic-intensive applications. This laptop runs on the Windows 10 Home operating system, providing users with a familiar and intuitive interface. It also includes a range of connectivity options, including Thunderbolt 3, USB Type-C, HDMI, and SD card reader. Number 4. Lenovo Ideapad L340 Gaming Laptop. The Lenovo Ideapad L340 gaming laptop is a powerful machine designed for gamers who require a reliable and efficient device for their gaming needs. This laptop is part of the Lenovo Ideapad series and has a sleek, black design that gives it a professional and modern look. One of the key features of this laptop is its 15.6-inch screen size, which provides a high-quality display that is perfect for immersive gaming experiences. The laptop also has a dedicated graphics card in the form of the NVIDIA GeForce, which delivers excellent performance and ensures that games run smoothly and without any lag. The Lenovo Ideapad L340 gaming laptop is powered by a Core i5 CPU model, which provides sufficient processing power for even the most demanding games. Additionally, the laptop has 8GB of RAM memory installed, which ensures that multiple applications can run seamlessly without slowing down the device. In terms of storage, the laptop comes with a hard disk size of 512GB, which provides ample space for games, files, and other applications. The laptop operates on the Windows 10 operating system, which is user-friendly and offers a range of features that gamers will find useful. Number 3. Apple MacBook Pro. The Apple MacBook Pro released in 2019 is a powerful and sleek laptop that boasts impressive hardware and design features. With a large 16-inch display and a sophisticated space gray color, this MacBook Pro is not only visually stunning but also functional for professional and personal use. The laptop is equipped with a 2.6 GHz Core i7-3720QM CPU, which ensures quick processing and smooth performance even with heavy applications. Additionally, the laptop comes with a dedicated graphics card, making it suitable for graphic-intensive work and gaming. The MacBook Pro is also equipped with 16GB of RAM, allowing for seamless multitasking, and is running on Apple's efficient macOS operating system. The inclusion of Intel UHD Graphics 630 graphics coprocessor ensures that the laptop can handle a range of graphics-intensive tasks with ease. Overall, the MacBook Pro is a high-performance laptop that delivers exceptional performance and durability. With its impressive hardware and software features, this laptop is ideal for professionals who need a reliable and efficient laptop for work and personal use. Number 2. ASUS ZenBook 13 Ultra Slim Laptop. The ASUS ZenBook 13 Ultra Slim laptop is a sleek and stylish laptop that packs impressive performance into its small frame. With a 13.3-inch screen size and a vibrant royal blue color, this laptop is sure to turn heads. The laptop is powered by an Intel Core i7 CPU, which provides excellent speed and performance for demanding tasks such as video editing or gaming. The 8GB of RAM memory installed size allows for smooth multitasking, even with multiple applications open at the same time. The 512GB hard disk size provides ample storage space for documents, music, videos, and other files. One of the standout features of the ASUS ZenBook 13 is its backlit keyboard. This makes it easy to type in low-light conditions, such as in a dimly lit room or on a plane. Additionally, the laptop comes with Windows 10 Pro pre-installed, which offers a range of productivity features and security enhancements. Overall, the ASUS ZenBook 13 Ultra Slim laptop is a great choice for anyone who needs a portable and powerful laptop for work, school, or entertainment. Its combination of style, performance, and features make it a standout option in its price range. Number 1. Acer Aspire 5 Slim Laptop. The Acer Aspire 5 Slim Laptop is a powerful and stylish device designed for everyday computing needs. With a sleek silver color, this laptop boasts a 15.6-inch display that delivers clear and vibrant visuals. It is equipped with a Ryzen 3 3200U CPU that offers reliable performance for a variety of applications, from web browsing to video editing. The 128GB hard disk size is perfect for storing important documents and multimedia files, while the 4GB RAM memory installed size provides ample space for multitasking. The laptop comes preloaded with Windows 10 Home, which provides a user-friendly interface and a range of useful features. One of the standout features of the Acer Aspire 5 Slim laptop is its backlit keyboard, which allows for easy typing in low-light environments. The laptop also has an integrated graphics card, which can handle basic graphics tasks with ease. Overall, the Acer Aspire 5 Slim laptop is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and powerful device for everyday use. Its sleek design and useful features make it a great option for both personal and professional use. Thank you for watching our video on the best laptops for coding and programming. We hope that we were able to provide you with valuable information that will help you in your search for the perfect laptop. Whether you are a student, a professional developer, or just someone who enjoys coding as a hobby, having the right laptop can make a world of difference. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.